Here we have the Red Rock Micro shoulder mount camera rail system with follow focus. I'm going to show you how to break it down quickly and easily. This is shown with the Canon 5D, the Marshall LCD monitor, and the 77mm Chirazel matte box that we have at the cage. If you have the rig set up like this entirely, you're going to want to start by disconnecting the HDMI cable to the monitor. In this circumstance, we have it threaded through the matte box for additional stability. Put that in the case. Move to the monitor, which is supported here by a screw threaded system and a quick release. Untighten the quick release on the side and lift the entire piece out. This piece here belongs with the Red Rock, so unscrew clockwise direction, place back in, and retighten. Set the monitor aside and in the case. Next, you're going to want to remove the follow focus ring. The follow focus ring is attached by two screws. One underneath that allows the ring to slide out away from the lens. Loosen that in a clockwise direction and slide the ring out, disengaging its sprockets from the focus ring on the lens. Next, on the other side is another screw which will release the entire piece from the unit. Using your finger on the side where the ring is, you lift up and remove the ring. Next, we remove the matte box, which has a tension ring here. Slide that out. Remove the French flag by loosening the two top screws. Place both these pieces in the case. Remove the inner ring that threads to the lens. Place that inside the matte box in the case. Next, we need to dismount the camera. There's a ring on the bottom of the camera. Can you see that? That screws off in a clockwise direction. Once the threads are free, the camera will remove. Put that in the case. Next, we will remove the camera mounting piece, which has a tension screw here on the side. Unscrew that fully and lift off the rails. There's a spring mounted system here, so you can see how that works. That's how you remove it, pushing on the knob and lifting away. Put that in the Red Rock case. Next, we will remove the weights. These slide off of the rail system by unscrewing both of the tension knobs here and sliding it off the back of the rails. To disassemble the weights, you take the larger Allen head wrench, you loosen the two center screws in the middle of the plate. Set those in the case and remove the first piece of the weight. The weight is also held on the other side in the same fashion. Remove both of those and set the two weights and the 4 hex screws into the case. Nextly, set the plate for mounting the weights into the case. Next, we'll remove the handle Do the same as removing the weights. Loosen the screws on both sides. Slide until it comes off of the end of the rails. Oops. If the plug happens to come out, please replace it. Set that aside in the case. Next, we'll remove the handlebars. You start on each side, removing the handles individually. Loosen them and slide them off the end of the rails. Place them in the case. Next, we'll remove the LCD monitor mount. This is loosened by loosening one side of the screw and sliding off. Place that in the case. Next, we will remove the shoulder mount and tripod mount piece by doing the same as before, loosening both sides and sliding off the rails. Lastly, we will remove the crossbar from the rail system. Loosen the bottom screw and slide the rails out. Place the 3 rods in the case. We now replace the 2 Allen wrenches, pack it up, and you are finished using the Red Rock Micro. Thank you.